I'm called Apolot Edith. I'm from Bukedea District, Kamutur Sub-County, Tajari Parish, and Magoro Village. So when you're handling poultry, the first thing you do before bringing chicks, you first construct the brooder where they are going to stay. When you're constructing a brooder, the first thing you do, you first have to measure where you're going to put your feeds, your chicks. You first measure that brooder, then after measuring, you disinfect it. You spray it with a disinfectant to avoid diseases. Then after spraying, you pour a litter inside that ground. After pouring litter, you have to disinfect the litter also. Then after disinfecting the litter, you cover that litter with newspapers. Then after covering, you bring your chicks then inside there. After you bringing them, you mix for them glucose, you pour inside the drinkers for them to drink for 1 week. After you giving them that glucose on that very day, you bring even their feeds, even provide them with a charcoal stove to keep them warm. At the first stage, you provide them with glucose for them to gain some energy, because you cannot give them water direct. That glucose contains some energy. Concerning chicks, it's like, at least I've also known how to construct a brooder, how to take care of the smaller chicks by providing them with glucose, their feeds, with the charcoal stove to keep them warm. Apart from poultry, we learned about agribusiness, business compliances. The first thing before you begin your business, you have to first register the business. After registering it, you must get its name. And when you get its name, you have to go to URA, you get a TIN number, so that you begin paying tax for that business of yours.